This video, I'll show you how to block a Facebook friend, step by step. Blocking someone prevents them from seeing your profile, sending you messages or friend requests, tagging you, or interacting with you on Facebook. To get started, open the Facebook app and sign in to your account. Tap the search icon at the top of the screen and search for the friend you want to block. Open their profile, then tap the three-dot menu or More button below their profile information. From the menu, select Block. Facebook will display a message explaining what happens when you block someone. Review the information, then tap Block again to confirm your decision. Once the block is complete, the person will be removed from your friends list and won't be able to contact you through Facebook while the block remains in place. If you ever change your mind, go to Settings and Privacy, tap Settings, then open Blocking to view your blocked users. From there, you can unblock someone if you choose, although you'll need to send a new friend request if you want to reconnect as friends. Use the blocking feature only when necessary to protect your privacy and improve your experience on Facebook. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy app tutorials. Thanks for watching.